It's here. The first major change in the ideology of cleaning vinyl windows and doors in over 20 years. GED Window Fabrication introduces its new RoboClean RC2000 twin-head vinyl corner cleaning system. RoboClean was created by integrating automation technologies that have been used effectively for years in markets where high volume, quality, safety, and precision are priorities. The technology? Robotics. This 12-axis robotic machine with infinite access accessibility provides complete corner cleaning. No touch-ups, consistent repeatable movements, multiple angles of attack, and presentation of tools at unique and previously unattainable angles. Operation and adjustments to robotic functions are operator-friendly through RoboClean's HMI. Robotic articulation provides total toolpath flexibility. Chatter is eliminated on a contoured surface. Orthogonal cleaning engages the tool to the profile at the optimum angle, no matter what the contour of the profile. Each tool can be presented to clean multiple surfaces in a variety of angles. All external surfaces, internal walls, and corners can be cleaned up to 15% faster than traditional technologies. RoboClean RC2000, the twin-head vinyl corner cleaning system, certain to revolutionize window fabrication for decades to come. For more information, call 330-963-5401 or visit www.gedusa.com. GED Integrated Solutions, your partner in taking innovation into the future.